By separating, we are writing by separating. Let me take an example. 4xy. This is just an example, okay, to understand about this word. Uh, you have question. Question is just to factor this. Just you have to factor this. How would you? How would you do? So here, by separating, it can be written as 4 multiple. Then we have x. Then multiple. Then we have y. This can be written as like this. Okay. So value of this and value of this is the same. Nothing has changed by us. Clear? What else? So this is a way to factor. Clear? So other way, like that you can write. This is a way how to write in different way to this. First this is way and second this is way. But this is called factorization. You can and this is also factorization. Okay. But it is suitable to say, yeah, this is a factorization of this of 4xy. So here 4, then multiple x, then multiple y, like that. Okay, like that. What is just we are dividing? We are not dividing. We are writing, but in separate. We are writing something separate. 4xy, and this is in multiple. 4xy is in multiple. Okay, so that's why we have written 4xy with the multiple, because of 4xy is with multiplication. Okay, so should we take a question? Something question. Something question. So did you understand about meaning of this word by this just by this example? Are you able to understand? Now we are able to take next question. We are able to take next question. Let's take question. This was just an example to understand about this word. Now I am going to take question. First, 3x, otherwise you can write like that. 4x minus 5. X plus 3, then x minus 2. Here, this is already we have expansion. It has been expanded. Okay, it has been already expanded. So here we can write it together in one way. And this is no expansion. This is in a way. In a way. We need to factor this. This is a question to factorization, and this is a question to write in what in expansion. So here we have a multiplication. We don't have a subtract and not add. We have subtract. First of all, so this word this variable, we will multiply this variable by this. Then we have this operation which is subtract. We will take it, and then we will multiply this by this. We will get answer. 3 4 is 12, and then x is how much? 2. Then we have operation which is subtract, and then 3 5s are 15. But we have only one x. How much? Only one. This is what? This is this is expansion. This was expansion, and we did write in a way. We don't have, this is not a in factor. This is not in factor. Can you say this is in factor? No. Yeah, we can factor it. We can factor it. Here, similar here. We can factor it and we can also factor it. But we can't factor it and we can't factor it as well. So here we have already expansion. In this case we have already expansion, and in this case we don't have already expansion. Here we can factor. uh, what can we do? We can here factor. Here we don't can factor, we can't factor. Okay. So here it is just a multiple, because here we don't have any operation, so it is in hidden, which is multiple. Okay, so first of all, we will take this, and then it will be multiplied by this, all this whatever is in this bracket. Then we have operation which is and then we have a 3. Then we will multiply 3 with this bracket, whatever is in this bracket. Okay, what is the meaning of all my words? Just have a look, then you will understand. First of all, we are taking one variable, then we will multiply this with all this, whatever we have. Okay, and now we have a what and then this is add with this is add with 3. Here already you know. Now we took add 3, and now we will multiply this by this. One second. Oh, yeah. Now you can see this method and this method is the same. This way is the same. Just we have to multiply x square, then I subtract x to 2x, then we have a 3, then 3x, then subtract and add, subtract, reduces 6. Here exponent is 2. We don't have exponent 2 on variable. Extract this. We have only 1. Now here we can what? We can subtract, because subtract that is subtract. That's why this from this we will subtract how much? Minus 2x. So we will get how much? X, because who is bigger? 3. That's why. And then we have 6. This is answer. Now we can't factor it. It can be done factor. Okay, it can be done factor. It can't be done factor. So here, it can be factor. It can be factor. Just have a look about this. Well, 4 3s are 12, and 5 3s are so 3 will do, because 3 is a common. And then we can take what? X, but we can't take y, because we have only 3x. Then we have left how much? 3 4 jar, so 4 and then x. Then we have subtract, and then 3 5 jar. Then here we have only 1, and then we have what? Only y. This is expansion. This is expansion. Okay. It clear? So this is equal to this equal. This is equal to this equal. Clear? Now tell me, can you factor it? Can you factor it?
pokoknya suno, pokoknya panahnya coba nih barang kata ini dia masalah. Jara sosma pani और पानी चौड़ा
Iya, boleh, boleh. Apa mau saya mau bilang, kata dia kan tidak ada mulai itu. Orang mana dia? Tapi kan betul lah, ya.
Kalau saya materi sangat bertolak. Nah, ini pada materinya.
Bila dah kan dua saja tu, dah kan kalau kita pakai, dah kan kalau kita boleh dah tu. Ya, orang kalau dua itu nama kan jadi.
Uh, so let's factor it. Okay, we have a six. We have how much? Six. So six is a product of three multiple two. Am I right? So three minus two, we will get one. So of course we should have a one. And can we write it like that? Uh, 3x minus 2x minus 6. We didn't change our question. We didn't change our question. Question is the same, but this is a way to write in different. So here 3x minus 2x would be only by x and addition which is x. Now x and x add 3. Then we have what 2. Okay, x and is it right? Yeah. We have a two. We have a two, which is the same. This bracket, and outside we have a x minus two, and then we have a common, which is the x plus x. This is a way to factor. This is how we do something. You can now we are going to take the multiplication, which is 5x plus 20. And then second we have 3x minus 6y. We have instance first 5x and 20. And it is saying that we have to identify common. We have to identify common. Okay. So what is the common in that way? In this equation, what is the common? In this algebraic, what is the common? Common is 5 and then 5. 5 is common. 5 1 5. 5 4 ja 20. So can we write it? Yeah. Clear? So this is a way to factor. By doing factor like that, we can solve it. Our question was saying using common method, just factor it, and we get it. So here 5 is common. Y is common, 5 is common. And then in this question, what is common? 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, and then x, yeah, we will take how much? 1x. And then y. In both variable, we have 2y, which is common. So we can only take one y. Okay. So 3 and x and y. This is a common. And now only x we will take. Y is 1, which is here. And then we have a subtract, and then in this 2. Okay. Then x is 1, which is here. And we have a y2, y1 and y1 and y2. Y1, y2. Now this is a common. Who is common? This is common. Clear? Did you understand? Did you understand? Have you ever to take next question after solving this, as well as are you able to understand this? Did you understand? Did you understand? So let's take another. So let's take another question. Next, we have a question which is a little heavy, okay? Which is little heavy. Do you want to see? Not just see, also you have to solve. 18 A cube and then B cube. 27 A2 B3. 27 A2 B3 and 36 A2 B2. Now here you can so here by using common method. Main question is it is saying that by using common method you have to solve it. You have to solve it by using common method. Where is the common? We have to identify. We have to identify. So here we have a four terms. How much? Four terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. One term is with add, second term is with subtract, and the third is with subtract, and fourth is with add. This is a way to identify which term is with operation. Okay. Here, can we take two terms? Can we take two terms so that we can factor it? So here 18, 27. 18, 27. So here which product, which product can come 18 also and 27? What is that product? 6 3s are 18 and 3 9s are 27. So 3, what is 3 3? 3 6 and 3 9. So 9 would be better. 9 would be better. Now it comes to a variable. Here we have A3. Here we have A3 and here we have A2. How many A will be taken by us? A2. Oh, A2. Then now B. B we can take how much? B2. Clear? So here we have left 2 and then we have left A and then B. We have subtract then 3 and then we have nothing. B only. Till here you are clear? Then here look, we have subtract. This can be written as it. If we can't it as it in second step, then we can see something is wrong in our step. So here just we have to put something term from which we can, if we are able to multiple with our unknown term with this and with this, if we get this, then we are going in correct way. So here 9, then here 27. Here is a 27. Here is a 27. Is it right? No. I have written this 2 times. How much time? 2 times. Okay, now you can see. Till here we are right. Okay, till here we are right. Right now, here we have add hint. Now 9 portion, as you know, and then nothing, and then here also we have nothing. Clear? Till here we have done. We have done. Now you can check. You can check. You have a proof. What? 9 2s are 18 and 8 2 and A3 and B2 and B3, and then we have subtracted. Then 9 3s are, yeah. Then A2, here we don't have A2, and only we should have A2. Then B3, and then we have add 9 4 36, then A2 A2. Uh, did you understand? Did you understand? Now I am taking next question. Okay. 40 x cube plus 20 x or y. Then we have 28 x square y square. Here we have to factor it. Okay, we have to factor it. So here 14, 21 and 28. What is that product which can come these three terms in that this three word, three digit in our product? What is that product? So here you would like 7 to the 7 3 and 7 4 7 is common. What is common? 7. Now x3, x4, x2. How much will be taken? X2? Yeah. Then nothing. Nothing. So whatever we have left, we will write. Here 2 and then 1 x. We have add 7 3. 3 is x2. So x2. Y as it. 7 4 then x2, x2, x2. Nothing, nothing. Y2 only. Only Y2. Yeah. We did it successfully. Without any hesitation. Without any hesitation. So, shall we take next question? Shall we take next question? Next similar question is saying by using common method we have to solve it. And what is that question? 5a and then 2x minus 3y, and then we have 2b, then 2x minus 3y. Clear? So let's solve it. So here by using common method. So here we are looking that this is already in expansion. This is already in expansion. So why do we need to factor it? It can't be factored. It can't be factored because it is already in expansion. So here we have only one step that can be written. Uh, yeah, yeah. So here we have a common factor. So question is saying just look at the question and where is a common factor? Where is a common factor? Where is a common polynomial? Uh, Mononomial. So here this and this. Can you say is this is a same which is the said common? So in outside what we have hyphen and then plus 2b. This is common. We have 2. That's why it is written only 1. So we have 2x minus 3. We are successful. Okay. Just we had only one step that can be written it in next step, and that is this. So here we have a common, which is 2x minus 3y. So if someone asks you where is common in that question, you would say this. This is common. Now I am going to erase it. I am going to erase it. But before that, let's take another question. Another which is 2a and 1 minus 1, 1 minus n, then 1 minus n. Clear? So here, question is the same. Question is the same. Just look at the question and find where is find where is a common factor, and we will write the common factor only one time. So here 2n and plus 3. This is in outside. This is not common. And here you can write. You can say 1 minus n and 1 minus n. We have a 2. So it is not common. That's why we are able to write it only one time. So what is common? 1 minus n. It is common. Clear? Shall we move? Regrouping. Using regrouping, we have to factor. Question is A2 and then we have this question. But question is the same. Using regrouping, using regrouping, we have to solve it. So it is also factor. We have to also factor, but using regrouping factor. So here in the context of a regrouping, we would have 4 terms. Or we should have how much? 4 terms. 4 terms. I am not saying terms. Okay, so here you can see we have how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 terms. 2 to 4 terms. Okay. So here, just to have a look. What can be written? 2 to 4. Because we should have a comma. We are going to look comma. So here a square and b square. We are first we need to decorate it. That can be solved it. Uh, so here a square. Then here b is common. Common just two. B is common. So this two would be better to write. So here a is common. Can we write like that? Then we have this. So here we have a common A and B. So here can we write like that? Then here we have B common. So yeah. Now this is common and this is common. Yeah. And then yeah. Clear, brother? Clear? This is common and this is only one. So whatever we have in our outside, we have written a plus b, and we have inside in the bracket. So a plus b, a plus c, we have two. That's why it is common, and we have taken only one time. Okay. So as you can see, it's like a puzzle game. Yeah. Now next, let's see. So here, common, just look at the question where is common. So A and A, yeah, A and A, and then in this case, B, yeah. Okay, clear. So A can be written one time. Then whatever we have as it. So here we have B common. Whatever we have in outside, we will write, and inside the bracket we have 2, which is common. So we will write only one time. Here, this is answer. This is a way to factor, but method is using grouping method. Okay. In this case, we were using common factor. Okay. So are you able to understand it? Did you understand? Have a look just for a few seconds. Then we will move on. Now I am going to erase it. So we are going to take next question just for practice. So we will using grouping method. Okay. So next is AX and then second we have then 7XY, then XYJ. So look at this, bro. Here, x is common, y is common. Am I right? X is common and y is common. Otherwise, you can see here A and A is common, and B is common. Whatever. But you should have a common. So it is what we have four. We have how much? 4 terms. That's why we can use method which is regrouping method. Okay, we have how much? 4 terms. If we had 2 terms, then we use only common factor, common method. If we will have 3 terms, then we will change our method. we will change our method. Okay, so here in the case of 4 terms, we will be able to apply regrouping method. Clear? So here we look at that x is common. Clear? Then here can we write as it? Now y is common. Clear? So whatever we have in outside of a bracket. So we have this word in outside. Now whatever we have inside the bracket. So we have a plus b and a plus b, which is a 2, which is in 2 times. So we will do 1 because this is the same. Already you know. Already you know. I don't need to tell again it. Okay, clear till here? Till here we are clear. So in that question, here J, and where is Z? This. For simple, then we have minus m, and then clear. It is in decorating way. So yes, Z is common. Clear, 1, and then x. Okay. So can we write it as it? This is available. This is a rule. No. And now we have minus m because 7 is common. We can say subtract add, which is what? Oh. Now is it right? Now is it right? Can we write it like that? Uh, let's see what happens. So here we have a data Z. So here can we write? No, only one. Only one. Yeah, one is common. And then here we have xy is common. It is similar. Till there we have right. here we can write next step z 1 plus xy and 1 plus xy. Can it be written here like that? This is the same. Okay. Now we have z minus 7 then 1 plus xy. We didn't change anything in that equation. Okay. Similarly, we are looking at they have to write one step more for satisfaction. So here z minus 7 then can we write it yeah, right. This is correct. This is correct. Okay. Just have a look for few seconds. Now we have identities. Identities. Using identities. Using identities. We have done questions by using method which were common method, regrouping method. Now we are going to use identities method. These are identities. Just have a look to this, and this will come in our tuition, and in our next standard. This will help. Okay, and this two already you know. In that equation, something is different. So that is subtract. Okay, subtract. Now let's take questions for practice with the help of this. Just have a look. So let's take by using identities, algebraic identities, we will be doing some questions as a practice, so that our concepts will be clear and our understanding would be enhanced. question is then we have 25 square plus 30 plus 9. Okay, so here we will use this advantage. I am telling you again and again because something you will see some differences. Here we don't have this images. We don't have in this question. So here instead of this we have this equation. You can see. Yeah, am I right? So here I am telling you way. I am telling you the process. So here we don't have any number with this variable. It will be as it. Then it can be written here. Do as it can be write as it. Now what is another product which can be multiplied by 2? Then we will get 8. So other product is 4. Yeah. Now only we have what x, and here you can see this is a here 2. So it is saying your base. So when whatever you have a base, okay, whatever you have a base, and your base would be 2 times, and then after multiplication you would get your resultant result. So here we only can write 4, 4. Then we will get. So 4 is a base, and here we will write our exponent which is 2, and then our base would be 2 times 4 times 4, which would be 16. Here we have 16. So that is the saying you will write. So here this is A and this is B. This is A and this is B. So can you write AB? A is x, B is a 4, and this is a square, and this is 4 is in a square. Both is in a square. Both are in a square. Both is in a square. A square is common. That's why we have taken one time. Okay, a square. That's it. Clear? We used this, isn't it? Then we did this. So in our question we had this equation, and we had to find this equation. Now you can see. Similar in that question. So here we can, by using this we can write. So our base is 25, and we should have a base which would be how much? How much time? 2 times. 5 times 5. Okay. We have 2 5. That's why we are writing 1 time. It would be written as it. Then we have what? This. Otherwise you can write. So yeah, this and this. So it can be written as 3 raised to the power 2. 3. Now we have what here? So A and B. So here 2 is compulsory. Then we have A, which is 5, and then B, which is 3. Okay, so A is 5 M and B is 3. 5 M. And both AB is in a square. This is a way to solve it. Just have a look. It is very simple. Question was saying by using that is algebraic, you have to solve it. We had this equation and we found out this equation. As you can see, we have this equation, we will get this equation. This equation. Okay, which is LHS. So let's take some more example for practice. Are you able? Here, next question. It will be as it here. Okay. Next. Therefore, then second. Clear, brother. Clear, brother. Clear. Are you clear or not? So here, we have this equation, 2ab, a square, 2ab, and b square. So can we have a4? Can it be written as it? Yeah, we have two. It will be written as it. Here b is with the 4 exponent. Now we have what? This equation, exactly this equation. So a is a2 and b is b2, and both these terms are in with the exponent 2. Clear, brother? Yeah, we have solved it. We have solved it. Next, brother, next. So here 2 to the 4 is can be written 2 times. Yeah, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 2. Clear? Then we have 9. 2 times. Base should be same. 3 multiple 3. Then we have what? 2, 2 and A is 2y and B is 3. Then we have subtract. Clear, brother? So A is 2y and B is 3. But one second. This is a subtract. And both the terms are in with the exponent 2. Clear? Isn't it? Just have a look, then we will move on. So let's retake another question. This will help a lot of times. This will help a lot of. Okay. Uh, I am I am taking next some questions just for practice. 121. So here 11 and 13. No, no. Here, brother, we have a square plus b square, which is b is with the minus subtract. So here 121 is the resultant of base 11. 11 times 11 would be how much? 120. Clear? Then we have here 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 can be written as like that. Then we have to multiple 11b multiple 4c. This is a clear. And then we have 11b square. We have 4c square. Okay. Both are in square like that. We have here subtraction, that's why we applied subtract. We added subtract. Next is 49 a square minus 36. Here we have a two terms. We have a two terms, but we have two terms. Can it be? Yeah, it can be. So by using our question is saying by using identity method, just to solve it, we can solve it better. Do you want to see? Here, this is A and this is B. I can prove B square. So here, base should be 2 times. So 6 multiple 6 would be how much? 36. Similar here, 7 multiple 7 is how much? 49. So can we write it like that? Am I right? Are you right? Nothing has changed. This is a way to write in different. Clear? Here we have this equation. Now, can it be written as it? Yeah. How many times? 2 times. How many times? 2 times. This is a 2 time 70 and this is a 2 times 6. So we have what? One is with subtract and one is with minus. That's it. That's it. So we had this equation. We were to find out this equation. Now you can say clear. Next I am going to take. Next is 63a square minus. Now here, first of all, here you are not looking that base would be 2 times. No. 7 6 no. So here we will see what we will use common method. Then after using common method, we will apply our identity method. So here, just look in which table product would be 1 that can be multiplied. We will get this and this. In which product we will get 63 and 112. What is that product? That product is 7. That product is 7. 7 9 okay. Then we have 16. 7 6 are 42. Then 7 and 4 11. Clear, brother? 7 will be written as it, and then we have a square minus b square. Clear? So can it? So here 3 3 is a 9 and 4 4 is a 16. Can we write like this? Yeah, of course. Then can we write it 3a minus 4b, then 3a plus 4b. That's it. 7 is extra with multiplication. Here you can see this equation. Here it is correct. First we used a common method, then after using common method we applied our identities method. Okay. Next. Next 16a raised to the power 5. Then 144. 16. So 4 4 is 16. 12 12 4 2 2 1. Yeah. 4 4 is 16. But here exponents are not 2. Exponents are not 2. Sixteen four ja 2 4 2 6. In which product this can be written? In which product? What is that product? 16. Here is x. Here is how much x? Here would be 16, but 9 times. So it can be factor. Uh, what 16? But here, remember, we should have x raised to the power 2. So x and then we would have how much? 1. Only 1. And then x 2, then 9, like that. And then here would should have been, yes, 16. 3. Is it correct? No, this is correct. We have done factor. Now 16x cube as it, we have x square minus b square. So 1 second, 1 second, brother. X square and then 3 3 is a 9. This is as it. We have a square minus b square. 16 x cube will be written as it. Okay. Then we have like that. You can see here. This is a process. Here we have done factor and then we have a square minus b square, which is algebraic. We will apply identities, which is this, and we have this equation. We will get this equation, and we have this equation. Here you can see this will be written as it, because this is extra with the multiplication. Uh, here, did you understand? Next, 9x square y square minus 16. Here just look what 3 3 is a 9, 4 4 4 is 16. No, it can't be fact. It can't be the factor. So can we write it 3x y square minus 4 square? We have nothing changed. We have nothing changed. Here you can see 3 3 is 9, x square y square, then y. Yes, simple. Then we have what a square minus b square, then 3 and then y, then 3, then y. Okay, this is a way. 3xy minus 4, 3xy plus 4. Are you clear? So here we did is that simple. 3 3 is 9 and 4 4 is 16. We got what? Yeah, yes square minus b square. We applied this method. We had this equation. Then we should have this equation in our answer, and we have now this. Clear? So next, brother. Yeah. So here we have a4, but we should have a2, a raised to the power 2, only 2. So can it be written as like that? Yeah. Question is the same. This is a way just to write in different way. But we can't say question is a change. Okay. Now we have a square minus b square, and we can use our advantage. Clear? I we are have a look just 4 minutes as you wish. Uh, Otherwise, I will erase it in 2 seconds.
बना लिया था
Now we are going to take next advantage that I will write here. Here firstly, then we have a b. Here you are looking that our x would be common, but two terms would be different, which is a b. Okay. So x would be common. Who would be common? X would be common. We have this equation, then we will get this answer. We have this equation, then we will get this equation. Clear? So a plus b with the x, and then we will write at a would be a x plus a plus b is with x then a plus b. This is next advantage that we will be applying on our question. Question is first is x square, then plus 15x, then plus 15 6. Second is p square plus 6b minus 16. This is our question. This is our question. Now, now you will notice this equation in that equation, this equation in that equation. Just have a look for understanding for a few seconds. And after that waiting, I will solve it with understanding. Here, let me explain. Let me explain. So here you are looking. This is a x square. Okay. This is a x square would be written as it. So this is a can 56 be written as this two times, which this would be say no 7 7 ja 49, 8 8 ja 64, 3 is 56. So that's why we use this method. That's why we have to use this method. So here we are looking at this is it. We should we need what a b. Okay, a b. So a b a b. So a b would be what 3 multiple 5. No. This is with add, not with multiplication. So our this mid term would be this is a product, okay. But what is that addition? Otherwise subtraction. We will get 15 eggs. So here 15 6 can be written as 8 7 ja 15 6, 7 8 ja 15 6, 7 8 ja 15 6. So here 8 and add 7 is it coming how much? 15. So 8 is here. We have what? 8 and then 7. Okay, this is A and this is B. So here x, this is x will be written as it. Now we have 56. It will be written as it. Clear? Now we have what expansion? We will write. We will multiply this by this by this. We will get Clear, brother? Then we have what? X is common. Clear? Here, can we write it as a here? And now, whatever we have left, we have 7. 7x, we will multiply this with by this by this. We will get this 7x plus 8 5 8 7. Okay, x plus 7. Then we have x plus 8, which is a common. So here we had this equation and we should have this equation. Now you can see it makes a sense. Okay. Now add some time to this question. We have P square. Okay. So it should be P, which is with the multiplication of A plus B. So here 16. 4 4 is 16. 4 4 is 16. So 4 4 is 16. So can we write it 4P at 4P and minus we have 16. But 1 second. By using this method, 4 plus 4 with the P. We didn't change anything. We didn't change our equation. Okay, now we will multiply. 1 second. P is common, and then here we will write as it. We have 4 is common. 4P, 4 4 is 16. But 1 second. But 1 second. Here we are looking at this is it right? Is it right? One second, we have did something wrong. 4 4 over 4 8, but we have 6. What brother? Here. So here 16. 4 4 is 16. So 4 4 would be 8. 4 minus 4 would be 0. So 8 to 2 is 16. 8 to 2 is 16. So 8 minus 2 would be 6b. So can we write 8 minus 2? One second. We will multiply 8p minus 2p, then 16. P is a comma, and then it can be written as it. We have what? Minus, then with 2. Minus 2p and minus subtract would be minus 8 to the 16 with subtract add would be subtract. Now p minus 2 is in outside and p plus 8 is common in that equation. Now this is right way. This is answer which is right. Clear? We used this identities. Now I am going to take next question. So here uh, we have what x square. Okay, here we have x, but we should have a plus b. A plus b. So here we have what 12. So 4 3 are 12. So 4 plus 3. We would get what? 7. 4. So 1 second x, then we have 4 plus 3. Now we will multiply 4x, and now we have what x which is common, x minus 4. Here x minus 4. Here we have 3. 3x, then minus 3 4 12. X plus 3. Is it simple? Similar here. X square as it. Now here 24. 8 3 are 24. 6 4 are 24. 6 4 is 10. Yeah. So x as it. So what 6 4. Here we are at. Now we will multiply x with 6. 6x, then 4x. Clear? So here just have a look. Just have a look. Here we did wrong. Here would be minus. Here would be minus. Clear? And this would be minus. Clear? Because 4 3 7 minus 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 are similar here. 6 4 10 minus with minus. Now we have 24. Now we have common, which is x. X, there is no 6. X minus 6. We have what? Minus 4. 4x, then minus minus plus. So 4 6 are 24. X minus 4, but x minus 6 is common. Clear? Clear? We are clear. Just have a look for few seconds. Now we are moving to the next identities. Next operation identities. Algebraic, which is a division algebraic expression. Division algebraic expression. First question we have, which is minus 20 x 4, then division 10 x square. This is question. Now let's solve it. Let's simplify it. Can it be written as what minus 20 x raised to the power upon 10 1 second bro 10 x square. Here we have x raised to the power and upon x raised to the power 4. In numerator we have x, which is with 4 components, and in denominator we have exponent, which is 2. So we will it will get cancelled. We will have how much? We have 2. 2 to the power 2. Okay. 10 to the 20 minus 2x plus. This is a way to simplify it. This is how we do simplify it. Clear? Clear? We have two terms, minus 20, which is one minus 20 x raised to the power 4. Then second term is 10 x raised to the power 2. This is the same way, but in different way. We did write it, and x square get cancel out by x raised to the power 4. Then we have x raised to the power 2. Clear? 10 to the 20 minus whatever we have left. We did right. We did right. Okay. Second. Second. This. So we have two terms. Can it be written as 7x square y square z square is upon 14xyz. So here we have x, which will get cancelled out, y 1, y is 1. No, oh, completely 1 year square. X, yeah, 7 to 0. Okay, we have x y z upon 2. That's it. So it can be written as like that. Okay. Or just have a look, then we will move to the next. 24 x square yz plus x y square z then plus by 8xy. Oh shit! What is that? So we have common what x y z in each term. X y z. You can see x, yeah, y, yeah, z. That's it. We have 8x y, not z. So 8 threes are then x y. Whatever we have answer. Okay. Yeah, you can write like that, like that, like that. Also, you can write like that, like that. You have answer. This is what. Clear, bro. Just have a look. How did it come? Next, 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 brother, next. One second, brother. Here, J. 5 is common. 5 is common. 5 Z. No, no. Yeah, yeah. What's your multiple? 5. Then 5 Z. Z minus 4. Clear? Then we have Z square minus 16. Oh. Can we write it like that? Am I right or not? Then we will get what? Okay. So here we applied our algebraic identities here. We did right like that. Here we had a common 5. Okay. That's all, brother. That's all. We have did some questions with concept. Okay. Uh, as well as we applied our algebraic identities because it comes a lot of time in our next standards. So it became useful for us, and we did it as a practice, and our perspective of this enhanced. Okay. So this was a lecture of factorization. In lecture of factorization, we did addition of algebraic expression, subtraction of algebraic expression, multiplication of algebraic expression, division of algebraic expression, as well as algebraic expression, as well as algebraic identities. Okay. This was a compulsory to do as a practice with concept, and as I told you, it will come in our next standard in different statement. Okay, in different